The report is about the old-fashioned sewing machine. Introduction. This is the sewing machine that my great-grandmother uses in her time. Content. The sewing machine is old, muddy, and rusty because of the flood. Since the sewing machine is old, some of the woods are already falling off. Some screws and drawers are missing, and the headpiece is not in its place, and it is inoperative. Citation. My great-grandmother is the owner and her name is Leticia Trinidad, born in Dumangas, Iloilo, and she is 94 years old today. Context. The sewing machine was bought in Tinda La Paz on the year 1973. Communication. The source is reliable because it is my great-grandmother who bought and used the sewing machine when it is still usable. Connection. The old sewing machine uses a balance wheel that returns to manually advance the sewing machine. The machine can be started by pedaling the treadle. I've learned the exact names and functions of the machine parts. Conclusion. The sewing machine contributed as a helping hand to tailors in making new clothes and some others who sewed their deep clothes.